Hello. For this class, I want you to study about the modifiability quality of a system. So to know how to describe this quality, so how can you specify that what is the level of modifiability that you want the system to achieve. And then, of course, the tactics that you're going to apply, architectural tactics that you're going to apply in order to achieve that quality. And of course, as usual, the relations between the scenarios and the tactics, and the the relation between different tactics for modifiability. Additionally, and it's very important to understand because sometimes it's difficult to understand modifiability from a point of view of what is actually modifiability when you think in terms of the architecture. So you can think in terms of modifiability, and this is really important in terms of a mechanism that exists in the architecture, that when a request for modifying something occurs, you just use this mechanism. And actually, this mechanism can be enabled to be used during runtime, initiation time, or design time. So, and of course, the cost, what is interesting here is the cost, because the cost, it means that if a request for change occurs and you can do it at runtime, you can say that the cost is very low, because actually it takes probably a couple of seconds or even less to do the modification. But probably to implement architecture such in a way that you achieve this level of quality, so the cost is high. So the cost of doing the change is low, but the cost of implementing an architecture that supports that type of change is very high. And so it's interesting to see. So we say that is the difference between the cost of using the mechanism and the cost of installing the mechanism. So, and that's this relation that I want you to realize what is behind this relation. So this actually is probably one of the most fundamental relations about doing things in code and changing code, and so let's discuss this during the class. Okay, see you there. Bye.